What you're looking at here is the Sakerplus 4-channel dash cam system, a setup designed to cover every angle of a vehicle simultaneously. At first glance, the hardware feels purposeful. 4 lenses working in unison, recording full HD 1080p footage from the front, rear, left, and right sides of the car at the same time. The concept of 360-degree coverage with no blind spots becomes very real once you see the footage side by side. One thing that stands out is the infrared night vision system. 8 IR LED lights work alongside WDR technology to pull usable footage even in low-light conditions, something that matters significantly for night driving or interior cabin monitoring. Moving into the protection features, the built-in G-sensor watches for sudden impacts and automatically locks critical footage into a protected folder. Loop recording runs continuously in the background, only overwriting the oldest unlocked files when storage fills up. From here, it's worth noting the 64GB SD card that comes included, a practical addition that gets the system up and running without an extra purchase. The Sakerplus system appears designed for drivers who need reliable, professional-grade coverage. Ride-share operators, taxi drivers, fleet managers, and family car owners all seem to be the intended audience. Some users may find the installation process takes time depending on the vehicle. However, once set up, the all-around monitoring operates passively and requires minimal management. Overall, the experience feels like a comprehensive solution for anyone who wants peace of mind on the road, with footage quality that holds up when it matters most.